Hello, my name is Ryder Searle, and this is a video on how to learn the social skill of learning to share. So skills for sharing, one of the skills is the skill of waiting, which is basically just controlling your impulses. Another skill is the ability to read facial expressions and body language. So this is just social perception. And another skill is the twin skills of sharing and conversational reciprocity. It's basically just the dance of interactions. And finally, cooperation, because you have to cooperate with another person or multiple people in order to achieve the outcome of sharing. So why on earth would you or I want to share? Well, sharing develops friendships. It allows you and others to play with each other. It allows you to talk with others, and it also makes you feel good because the other person can join in the enjoyment. So sharing can be super fun. The following video demonstrates how to share.
Can I have a turn to play the game?
Yeah, wait, let me just finish this round really quick. Oh man, I ran into the wall. Here, see what you can do.
Thanks.
Maybe once you wreck your car, I can have another try.
Yeah, we can share it.
Awesome, that'd be great.
Ah, darn it. It's your turn now.
Oh, this game's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it's fun. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah. Dang, I died again. Here you go.
Thanks.
As you can see from the video, sharing really develops new friendships. It allows you to play with others, talk with others, and it makes you feel good because you can share your toys, your computer game, or whatever it may be. Thanks for watching.